What is up, y'all? Welcome back to Qui Nichelle on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, I'm of course bringing y'all my daily workout and what I'm eating. So right now, today, before we get into the video, make sure you do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, honey, because y'all know how we do on the channel. Today I was gonna work out, then eat, but then I got hungry, so I said, let me just eat, then work out. I know a lot of people work out, then eat. I'm gonna eat, then work out. That works for me. But if I'm not hungry, then I won't eat, if that makes sense. So I'm not really on like a strict do it in this kind of order type of thing. I'm just kind of doing what works for me. Because I wasn't hungry at first, and then I laid in the bed for a little bit, and then I got hungry or whatever. But I'm eating pretty much the same thing I had yesterday. This is turkey and ham, cheese, and I did put some pepperonis, but I cooked it, so it's kind of like a quesadilla or whatever instead of just like a wrap. So I cooked it this morning. I am going to have an apple again, because apples are higher in fiber and have less sugar than like the peaches and stuff like that. I'm gonna drink some of my juice this morning just because I don't want water right now. But that's pretty much what I'm finna do right now. Then of course y'all will see me work out. Now, I'm thinking about doing the trampoline today, but then my stomach been kind of up and down for a couple of days, so I don't know about jumping. So I may just do my regular walking pad and vibration plate. But y'all will see that in the workout if I decide to do the trampoline. So actually, I'm finna edit yesterday's video to get it put up for y'all today. And yeah, we're just gonna go with the flow. I might do another vlog for y'all because I really plan on leaving the house today. I haven't left the house none this week, and today is Friday. I haven't left out the house none this week, y'all. But I think I'm gonna go out today and see about like what Ross got. Y'all know I love to go to Ross and TJ Maxx in Burlington the most. I do go to other couple of stores every now and again, but I like to go to those the most because y'all know they get random shipments, you know, through the week. So I love to go to those the most. I do have a sheet in order that's starting to come in, so I will be bringing y'all some clothing stuff like I told you. And then I'm going to put in a Fashion Nova order sometime this weekend. So I got some looks and some things that's coming to y'all that'll be, of course, in another video. But, of course, I want to document my lifestyle change and just, you know, a daily progression or whatever. But I'll see y'all in the workout. Okay, y'all, so I just left out of Sam's and I did get me some food. It is $2.41 right now. So I got me a hot dog. I'm gonna take the bread off, of course, and then I'm just gonna eat the toppings on the pizza. And y'all, they pizza so good. I'm just gonna eat the toppings off and eat my hot dog without the bread and try not to have ants in my car. And y'all, it came with a drink. I'm looking for a napkin. It came with a drink. I got a Diet Dr. Pepper. They didn't really have no good okay. They didn't really have no good like diet options or whatever. I like Diet Dr. Pepper and Diet Pepsi is what they have. But my favorite diet drink is like the Sunkist Orange or like a Diet Sprite. Those are like my favorites. Now I will drink like a Diet Pepsi or Diet Coke or something like that. but it's not my favorite. And this kind of, it kind of tastes a little thick. But y'all know I always have water in my car, and I brought this out of the house, so it's cold. So I think I'm gonna drink my water, and I'm gonna eat my pizza or whatever. And I got meat lovers, as y'all can tell. So I'm about to do that. Y'all can see I'm in the parking lot at Burlington. I have another vlog coming for y'all, but I do want to keep y'all up on like my health journey and what I'm eating. So y'all will get a Burlington a store like walkthrough, and I think I'm gonna record if I see some new stuff and whatever like that. But I'm gonna eat. I just wanted to check in and let y'all know what I'm gonna eat. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna work out. Hold on. Okay, y'all, I had to chew that food up because I eat slow, y'all. I don't know why I've always eaten slow, but I eat slow or whatever, so I had to go ahead and chew it up so I can talk to y'all. But I think I'm gonna work out later tonight, even though I am getting a workout, like going in all the stores, in and out the car, whatever. I still think I'm gonna try to do at least a walking pad tonight when I get home. If I don't feel like it, then I won't, and of course I'll let y'all know that. And I think baby is making burgers tonight. I think that was the plan like a few days ago. But anyway, I will come back if I decide to do a workout on the walking pad and let y'all know what I'm having for dinner, and go ahead and wrap this video up, and that way y'all have a full day of what I actually did. Also, make sure y'all check out my other vlogs, because I do have some packages coming. So I am still gonna give y'all some style videos and stuff like that, try-ons and all of that. So y'all just thank you for supporting the channel. Thank y'all for supporting my journey. And yeah, I'll see y'all after a while. So now this is my dinner. I told y'all that he was cooking tonight. So he made bacon cheeseburgers, and I'm gonna have some pickles with mine. Y'all, these are my favorite pickles, in case y'all didn't know. These are so good. Y'all see all that garlic and seasoning in them. Y'all, these are kosher dill pickles by Clausen's, and these are so good. And I love the little mini ones. I like all of them because they have them like in a slice and the whole pickle and all that. But I love the little baby ones the most, the mini ones, what they call it. And then I'm gonna have a cherry shake up. If I do decide to work out, because it is, let's see, it's 7:26. So if I decided to work out, of course you would have already seen it before now, even though I would be working out after I have eaten dinner. So if that part is in there, that will be why. But yeah, so that's it for this video. Y'all stay tuned to the channel, because I did get some things while I was out today, and I'm gonna bring y'all a haul and a try on. But anyway, make sure you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, never forget to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, because y'all know how we do on the channel. And y'all already know, honey, we are out.